Here we go. We're about to start this one. Mushrooms, champignons. You wanna open it? This is my daughter Piper. Dun, da, da, da. 1,000 pieces. May I see the box top? 1,000 pieces with lots of teeny tiny writing in the bottom. Okay, here we go. Woo. Okie dokie. What do you say, Pipes? Look, here's an edge piece. There we go. Ooh. Oh no. Most of the edge pieces are going to be white. But they've got little whoops, got one together. Typically I would take it apart, but this time I'm not. I think this is going to be a hard puzzle. What do you think, Pipes? Are you just growling? Huh? Come on. This is for our new YouTube channel.
I found a corner piece.
Yeah, we always have a little party, a little dance party. Don't put it up there. We always have a little dance party when we find a corner piece.
What?
Oh look, and this one has a writing on it, so we know this one is going to go right over here. Da, 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 da. I get so excited about pieces. Look, there. It's not going to be so bad. I like the texture of this puzzle. It feels good. Ooh, here's one with more writing. What are you laughing about? Isn't it exciting though when you start a new puzzle? Don't you think?
I can already tell you this one's gonna give me a headache.
I'm a little bit sad that there's not a poster in this one.
That's gonna make it so hard.
Just the box top, and you can't even see the whole box top. I mean, you can't even see the whole image on it. But we can do it. It is, FYI, 5 minutes after 10 o'clock. Oh, you know what's really cool? The mushrooms have numbers on them. So we're going to be able to figure out where the position is when it's got a number. That's going to be helpful. That's exciting to me. Look, and the ones that have, I'm so excited. The ones that have this writing on them, like that, we know they go on the bottom. Can get that bottom row together. Can't we now, Piper? That's a top row. That's got a big old mushroom head on it. In fact, I see where it goes on the top row. Ooh, I saw Anna Maragos the other day, and she did a puzzle. This isn't live, by the way. This is just a video. But she did a puzzle with her kids, and they did it very systematically and methodically. They each took a quadrant. I don't even know how you would do that. Thoughts? Pipes?
That just seems too difficult.
Yeah, I don't understand that one. But it worked well for them. They enjoyed it. And I'm sure, knowing Anna, they had a really good reason to do it that way. Because Anna has a pretty good reason to do most everything. Excuse me, her last name now is Kettinger, not Maragos. That was her maiden name. So I would say that we have a little bit of a system ourselves, the way we do puzzles. Wouldn't you, Piper?
Pour everything out, turn over all the pieces, put all the edge pieces in a place.
Uh-huh.
And then once you get the outline, kind of just go from there.
Yeah, I think that sums up exactly what we do.
I mean, that's the only thing, people who do it image by image.
Yeah.
That just seems too hard.
Yeah, it just doesn't. That's not how our brains operate. But clearly it works well for other people. In particular, the Kettingers. Look, these are the top row pieces. Well, I'll put them down here.
Right now, we just need to get pieces.
Okay, the edge pieces. Ooh, ooh, oops. I can't even tell you how much I enjoy doing puzzles, though. You're not quite the fan of puzzles that I am, are you, Pipes?
Right now I kind of have a headache.
I'm sorry.
I've had a headache since dinner.
Since dinner?
Yeah.
Well, oh, here's a really big word. Oh, this is the top. Look,
Yeah.
it says champignons at the top.
I have the.
You're gonna
look,
see if those will fit together.
look, Mom.
Dun, da, da, da.
Actually, no.
Or
Reverse,
no.
reverse. Do it this way. Yeah, there it goes.
Okay. We're gonna scoot it down a little bit more like that.
I have a class at 8:30 tomorrow.
What class do you have at 8:30, Piper?
Calculus,
Calculus.
which I know was one of your favorites.
Yes, you really do know how much I love me some calculus.
If anything, did you want to take my test with me tomorrow? I'm joking. I'm joking. I
Yeah,
pulled the
that was
honor
a joke.
code, y'all. Honor code. Asterisks, y'all.
Hashtag.
No, asterisks. Y'all need to know that that belongs there.
Oh.
I do not cheat or steal or lie or.
Piper School has an honor code.
And they're very serious about it, so I might
As they
get
should be.
I might get expelled for that joke, y'all.
It was a joke.
My mom just is really bad at math. That's what it is.
That's not a joke.
She's terrible at math. I am
I
the only
wouldn't say I'm terrible at. I'm great at math. Well, wait. I'm good at arithmetic. That's what I'll say.
You know,
I'm good at arithmetic.
Her words keep changing a little. Can we
I'm
comment
not
on
great
that?
at math, but I'm good at arithmetic.
So on that note, since that, which is exactly what I said, I'm the only person in my family, even probably in my extended family, who is genuinely good at math.